All right, check it out. We're at 100% on our Warsun flashlight. All right, let's just get it off of here. All right, so it's got this little thing, cover it up like that, and bam, now we've got it charged. We're at 100%. If I press this one time, it goes to super bright. I'm gonna turn this light off here so you guys can see. Woo, that is bright, right? I press it again, it goes softer, right? And then I press it one more time, and it's going to go like blinking like disco. Hey, we're in a disco. And one more time, it's off. You can also swivel the head so that now it's sideways like this, right? So now check it out. I can put it on my shirt like this, or like in a pocket or something. I'm trying to get it on this part of it. It's really tight. It doesn't want to go on. Let me see if I can get it on here. There we go. Oh, I got it. All right, so now it's on there. And so now if I'm working, I can just do it like that. So now I'm doing my work, you know. I'm like, look at me, I got my hands free. I'm doing my work because I got it on here. If it's too bright, I hit it again, and it drops down. It also tells me how much charge I've got on top here. I hit it one more time, and you're going to find that you're going to have to hold it to hit it. Bam, here we go. Whoa, man, I'm getting, oh, that's crazy. Hit it one more time, it turns off. So when you go to hit it, that's a design flaw. See that? Design flaw. So you got to hold it, then hit it, right? And bam, Bob's your uncle. And that's it, man. That's how you use it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on things like this. Peace out.